Hi everyone! So today I want to unbox with you this very new release by the Muse Collection by René of Paris called Glam Wavez, and it's in the color Marble Brown. This is also a new release by René of Paris Muse Collection. This is the gorgeous Dazzling Waves in Melted Marshmallow, and I have a unboxing of this one as well. So if you're interested in that, I will link it up here somewhere. But let's go to Glam Wavez. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I am so impressed with Dazzling Waves. So let's see what Glam Wavez is like. I love Marble Brown, such a beautiful brunette color. So Glam Wavez, definitely up to his name. Lovely glam waves there. Look at them. Look how pretty that looks. Right, let's have a look at the cap construction, which is the same as Dazzling Waves, so it has an extended lace front, always a bonus in my book. And then you have a left mono part that goes all the way back to the crown, so it gives you a really natural looking part. Open weft sides and back, extended velvet nape, brushstroke like adjusters, and velvet covered ear tabs. Gorgeous. Look at these waves. So what I'll do now is just with my fingers rake through these waves just to give it a little bit of a softer wave look, which I prefer. So let's have a look. And then a slight shake just to move the fibers away from the cap so they move a bit freer and therefore look a bit more natural. Wow, okay, this is beautiful. Oh yes, this is just gorgeous. Right, rake the fingers through it. So, let's put this somewhere where it's not so much in the way. Let me just pop that in here. Oh wow. That is glam. I like, look at this part. Look at this fringe here. So you can have it down like this. Gorgeous. Or you can very easily move it up. Have I got it right? That's a bit low. Right, there you go. Let's look at it from all sides before I play more with it. I want you to see it, what you get straight out of the box. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think I might actually wear it down like this. This is beautiful. Right. So the zigzag parting is still in there. I can just give you an idea. Oh, that will look quite nice, I think. And the lace front. On Marble Brown, I really like that they put these lighter pieces here at the front. It doesn't look too much of a band either. And look, there's hardly any knot. I can't really see any knots. Transition is great. It's just wow. Wow, wow, wow. So permatease wise, nothing here at the top. Then I can feel a little bit round at the back here at the cap, but nothing poofy or big. The density, it's a wavy pattern, also curly pattern. I do think it's average density. There's quite a bit of hair here. But because there is no poofy permatease up here, I think personally it looks really natural. That's what I prefer on me. So it's just, wow. It's glam is definitely the word for it. I think it's just gorgeous. So tell me what you think. My review will be on my YouTube channel very soon. Don't forget to use my code K20, so you now get 20% off at Adorans. And I will put the link down below in the description box as well, so you can find that easily. I can't wait to wear this a little bit more so I can review it for you later. Have a lovely day. Bye.